Stop making a budget. Seriously. Stop it. In 2026, a budget is just a historical record of your financial guilt. It tells you what you couldn't do last month. It is a static, dead document in a world that moves at the speed of light. The wealthy do not budget. They don't track every latte in a spreadsheet. They use systems. Today, I'm declaring the death of the old way and introducing you to the hybrid velocity method. This is how you automate your wealth, so you never have to look at a spreadsheet again. Here is why the old way is failing you. You get paid, and your money just sits there. It sits in a checking account earning 0.01%, waiting for a bill that isn't due for 2 weeks. That is what I call lazy money. In an era of high-yield accounts and AI speed, letting your cash sit idle is a tax on your potential. You are effectively losing money every single second that it isn't moving. Banks love budgeters because budgeters leave cash on the table. We're going to stop doing that. Today, the new meta for 2026 isn't saving, it is velocity. Velocity is the speed at which your money moves through your ecosystem. Instead of parking cash in a checking account, the hybrid model keeps every single dollar deployed into high-yield savings, income ETFs, or offset accounts until the exact second it is needed. Your money stays invested, earning 4 or 5%, right up until 11:59 p.m. on the day your bill is due. This creates an arbitrage of time. You aren't working harder, your money is just working faster. But here's the catch. You can't do this manually. You would lose your mind logging into portals every day. This is where the hybrid model takes over. You are the architect. AI is the dispatcher. We use secure, private AI agents that monitor your cash flow. Think of it as a traffic controller. The dispatcher agent sees a credit card bill due on the 15th. It doesn't panic. It leaves your money in your high-yield account earning interest for 14 days. Then, instantly, it flashes the exact amount over to pay the bill. Zero lag, zero lost interest, zero effort. You don't have to budget because the system manages the flow for you. It protects your upside and covers your downside. The result? You sleep better. The hybrid model frees you from financial anxiety because you know the machine is watching the gate. So, delete the spreadsheet, burn the budget, build the system. If you want to see the exact AI stack and tools I use to build my velocity system, hit that subscribe button. Welcome to Stacks Explained. Let's get wealthy.